Hello, good morning, good afternoon. This is not the video that I meant to make today. I had planned 2 other videos to record today, but on my way home, I had this realization and I felt like I had to just get it out, and hopefully someone relates to this. But I just have to get it out because something is grinding on me and I need to know if somebody out there is feeling the same thing. But long story short, I was leaving work today and it really just dawned on me how important being aligned with the lifestyle that I want to live is. I want to be on this side. I want to be moving, exercising, being in the sun, being outdoors as much as humanly possible, and also in the warmth as much as humanly possible in my life. That is my ultimate goal. Anything I do is to achieve that goal of being outside, in the warmth, in the heat, and exercising, and just being a healthy individual. Everything I do fuels this goal. You got that? Now over here, this is where I am. I live in Canada, where we have winters for 6 to 8 months of the year. And I work a 9 to 5 that I commute 3 hours a day to. So that is completely on the opposite side of what I want. And now I've been here for about a year and a half doing this job over here. And I don't get to see the sun. I'm inside all day. I'm sitting all day. So that's few activity. Wow. That is very little activity that I'm doing throughout the day. I try to go for walks on my lunch break, which I do, usually 35 to 45 minutes. I'll exercise after the gym. I go for runs once on a weekday and once on a weekend. So my activity is covered. I just could be doing more. Now, I am not in the sun and I am not moving for those hours that I'm indoors and sitting, nor is it a job that I feel super pulled towards. I'm like two sides of the same side of a magnet, just resisting each other. Like the friction between us, I just want to resist. I reject it, I resist it. I want nothing to do with this lifestyle over here. However, this may sound like, oh, you're complaining. I totally get that. If you want to sit here and say that I'm entitled or spoiled or whatever acronym, whatever word you want to use, I get it. I understand. But the thing is, I am so confident in myself that I can achieve this lifestyle in the next couple of years. I'm so confident. And I'm doing everything I can to achieve that. I'm saving my money. I have a financial plan down. I have a content plan down. There's things that I want to do, and I am making sure that if there's something I want, I get on it right away. I'm doing the thing. There's nothing that I want that I don't start to achieve. Everything that I've ever wanted in my life in the past 4 years, I have achieved it. And maybe it takes a couple weeks, maybe a couple months. Some of these things have taken a couple years. But as I keep going down this path, I realize that all you need to do is start. Going back to this disconnect, yes, it feels so strong. I know it's possible, but man, on a day-to-day basis, this lifestyle over here grinds my gears so much. I leave work and I just feel like not even like a weight has been lifted off my shoulders, because I know I'm coming right back here the next day. But it just makes me realize day in and day out that, man, thank God I'm doing these things over and over and over that will help me leave this job. This is not the end game. This over here is the end game. The exact lifestyle I want to live. And I think all of you should be able to do that too. Is have and know the exact lifestyle that you want, and make sure that every action that you take is in line with the projection and the motion that you want this life to have. Everything should fuel it, or rather, think of it as a filter. If you want this life here, every decision must be filtered through this little filter in order to do X action. So if you want something over here, what actions are you going to take that will filter through and get to that result? That is something I've been thinking a lot about recently. And another thing I struggle with too is that when I'm in conversations and telling people about my job and stuff, I don't get excited about telling people what I'm doing. There's nothing cool, fun, and exciting about my job specifically. I could talk about other things if that's the question, but when it comes to my job, I don't like talking about it. I don't like thinking about it. It is just not who I am. It is not aligned with me and what I want to do. And a lot of people that are in my life, either one, don't support wanting this lifestyle, or they just don't see it. They don't see how I can get from here to here. A lot of people see this path and think that's the only way. The traditional path is the only way. But that's because they haven't opened up their mind to the possibility that this over here exists beyond the people they see on social media. There are so many people not on social media that have gone from here to here and they just don't post about it, and that's totally fine. I utilize my social media platforms to show you guys it's possible. I'm building this with you guys in real time, but it is possible because people have done it. And I heard a TikTok earlier today where the guy was, I can't remember who it was, so if you happen to know this video, let me know. But the guy was saying, if you are in line to do X objective, don't be mad that you're 75th in line. Don't be mad that you're not going to be first in line and get to that thing first. You are in line because there's proof that it's been done before. So stay on your path. You will get there eventually. Sure, 75 people may beat you to it, but you know you're next in line. So all you have to do is stay in line. Keep taking those actions that will get you where you want to go, and you will eventually make it there. But if you step out of line, now you guarantee that you will no longer get to where you want to go. Being in line is not the issue. And that's a nice little reframe that I took away from my 7 a.m. TikTok scrolling, which I probably shouldn't do, but I digress. There are so many people in your life that won't see the vision that you have. Or worse, not only will they not see it, but they will try to tell you that it is not possible and bring you down and try to reshape your brain into the little small mindset that they have over here. People who have given up tend to think that they have it all figured out. And the thing is, you will never have it all figured out, because the more that you decide to grow, the things that you want to try that are new, the more you get out of your comfort zone, you are never going to know what's in the unknown. That's why it's called the unknown. So don't listen to people who claim they have it all figured out. If you truly want advice, follow people who have done the thing that you want to do. And only take criticism from people who have done the thing you want to do. If somebody's criticizing you and they have not achieved what you want to achieve, don't listen to them. There is no point. That's kind of what my next video is going to be about, or at least the one that I may or may not record later today, depending on how my night goes. But I want to know if, one, you guys feel this friction between the path of alignment, the lifestyle that you want to have, and the lifestyle that you currently have. Do you guys feel that way? Is that something that's prevalent in your life right now? Are you working a job? Are you striving to get a job? Or have you already started your business? Do you already have a side hustle that's going? If so, how's that going? Let me know down below. For those of you that are stuck in your 9 to 5, I actually don't like that term very much, because I think it's fairly straightforward to leave. You just have to build up the courage and the plan in order to do so, which I'm currently working on. But it's just grinding on me, and I had to get this out. I just had to speak because I got on that train today to commute all the way home, and I want to be outdoors. I know so strongly what it is that I want, and I'm going to do anything it takes to get there. And a quick note here, if you guys are currently living at home, which I suspect if you're around your 20s, you probably are, check out this video here. It is going to go through how you can save your first $100,000. This is something that I'm also on the road to, but it is a complete roadmap to how you have access to so much more money than somebody else your age working the exact same job, but they're living by themselves, away from their family, away from their homes. So you have huge capability to do so. Click this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I just came back from the gym, so I'm sweating. I gotta go inside, shower, and eat some food. But please do enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.